Hi guys, so I just got in a little haul last night from HSN, and it is very little. I think it's only 2 things, so we'll get to that in just a second. Thank you so much for watching my video last night. I know I had let you guys know I had made a whole tutorial on this card. Which, by the way, I forgot to link the card blanks until this morning, so I'm sorry about that. I did update those links and included these, but I'll try and remember to put them in this video. So those will be affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission for your purchase items to those links. It's the With Love Slimline cards. I had gotten through HSN like in November, but they're still available in different sizes. They have like 5x7 and other sizes. I made this card, and I had mentioned that I cut myself, and a lot of you guys went for it, watched it, and were like, oh, you can barely notice it. And I knew I can barely notice it, but sometimes it was more noticeable. And I just want to let you guys know that I had cut my finger, and, you know, it was like a paper cut. So, and then whenever I blurred it out, because I was like, well, I just try to blur or whatever, you know, if you see my finger there. And it looked worse, because it looked like something really bad happened under there. But either way, I blurred what I had to blur, you know. But I really love the way this card turned out. Really simple. I mean, the video is so short. I did cut out some parts of the video just to edit it down, so hopefully it still made sense, but so it was even faster, but it wasn't a video that took that long anyway, or a project. So there's that, and that's from the new French concentric. I did say 3D, and whenever this is 3D, that means they're like impression type dies, so I guess if you wanted to ink them up, you can do that. I'm not a huge fan of doing the inking, but she did do a better job of that last impressions kind of dies. Which one was it? Oh, the Christmas set. It worked really well, so, you know. And oh, I wanted to show you, this morning I put a welly band-aid on. If you've seen these and you wonder, why are these $10 or $15 for like the larger pack? I don't even, $20 sometimes. These guys are usually like $8, $9, $10. So when you open it up, it's a metal tin. It has, you know, however many band-aids, and then it has like little antiseptic in there, triple antibiotics, should I say, ointment, and then like little wipes. I think they're probably alcohol wipes. Instant hand sanitizer. Oh, okay, that's what it is. I was gonna say. And then they have some other info, and I don't know. So that's kind of, I guess, why. But they're just bougie band-aids, you guys. I do like that they're like that stretchy material, though, instead of like those plastic ones that Miranda's pretty much always getting, because they have designs on them, right? So let's see. Yeah, I have 2 Anna items here. Enchanted Vellum card toppers. I want to say these are like Valentine-y, and I might even have, unless they're brand new, but I feel like I bought something like this last year or a couple years ago. So let's see. Oh yeah, Enchanted Vellum card toppers. Let's see. I don't think everything is vellum in here, but perhaps. Let's check this out. So pretty. Yeah, exactly. I was gonna say, yeah, it's pretty much a card kit, isn't it? It says card toppers, but basically, let's just go through. To me, it looks like, unless this isn't a card base, you're gonna put it on top of a card, and that's why it's a card topper. But you have your inspo there, our 3D glue or foam adhesive, really beautiful swirls and sprigs and all those kinds of things. They are flat, pretty much stickers, right? I'm telling you, there's times where you do want something that's just flat, and sometimes you might want the dimensional ones, but I do prefer the flat ones, to be honest. Will you be my Valentine? Let's see what kind of sentiments are in here, so you know if it's all Valentine related or not. Let's see. Have a happy Valentine's Day. You will forever be my always. Hugs and kisses with Valentine wishes. Wishing you happy Valentine's Day. I love you the way you love me. It's always better when we are together. So yeah, sending loving thoughts and sweet wishes. You know, you have enchanted my heart. So yeah, I mean, they're all kind of love related. I would say more than half of them are probably pretty much Valentine's, but some of them are more, you know, just sweet, I guess. See here. I'm sorry, whenever I first wake up, I'm always with a frog in my throat. And these are the vellum toppers, which is funny because it's called vellum topper. Like, okay. And there's a few, you know. And they have that funky smell. Ugh. It's like such a weird smell. But anyway, you can leave them out. And sometimes they air out and sometimes they don't. So to me, I feel like it still smells like whatever it is. It's just a, not even a paper smell, but like paper related. But it smells more like a glue is what it smells like. I don't know how to explain it. Anyway. Really, really gorgeous. And of course you have those guys, you have this guys, you have your sentiment, you know, you're good to go. And then flat cards, because that's why it's card topper. So they are flat. and obviously not double-sided. Really pretty. I love that one. Really simple and cute. This would be really nice for like a handmade box, because these guys are pretty much ready to go, and then just make it maybe a 5x7 box or whatever. I think there's 2 of each, so I might be skipping over some of the designs. Maybe there's more than 2 of each. Okay, 3 of each. Pretty. I'm going to package this back up. I'll be right back. Next up, I already cut into it. Oh, sorry. I thought I did. Flower cart embellishments. Yay! They must have brought in like a million of these, because after hearing from so many of you guys that you're picking them up too, I'm surprised that they still have any left. But it's the flower cart embellishments, and what's so cool is it does include the sentiments. So it's basically from the Today Special, and I heard from some of you guys who just picked this up because maybe you weren't interested in the die set, or maybe the die set didn't work out for you in sizing. So these are really, really gorgeous. Oh, and it has more of the toppers. Oh my gosh, I thought it was just going to be flowers, to be honest. I thought it was just going to be this. I didn't even pay attention because I was like, I better get it. So, I mean, just tons of flowers and pots and baskets, trios, like quads of them. There's like banners. There's all kinds of different like swags and stuff. The swags are actually over here. Little butterflies. And it does come with more toppers for the cart itself. But somebody had mentioned that they had the diamond press cart and some other carts, so they're wondering if they need the Anna Griffin one. But maybe you can pair this up with the diamond press one. It looks like about the same sizing. You know what I'm saying? Let's say you want to make it look like it has like a 3D dimension to it. You can probably use that on there, I think. And then all those pieces that look like the little like wood shelving, or whatever it is, watering cans, flourishes. Again, these little guys that you pop out. Definitely you can use this, I would say, with the archway, at least the long parts here, with if you have her arch garden trellis scene dies or whatever it was. And then he has the sentiments. This is really good. I mean, yeah, I think they're like 25, 29 bucks or something. But I mean, for everything that's in here, yeah, I'm good. Like, that's great. Okay, well, that is it for today, guys. And keep an eye out. I have obviously other videos to come out and things, and we're coming up on the 1st of the month, so Spellbinders videos are going to start hitting my page here. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you at the next one. Bye now.